Pages don't automatically appear anywhere on your site. Menus are the real, explicit mechanism that decides what shows up in your site's navigation and where. The real drag-and-drop menu builder, primary navigation, already has real items in it, ready to be arranged and assigned. A closer look at the real menu structure. Each item here points at genuinely real content, not placeholder links. The real theme-defined locations a menu can be assigned to, these come from the active theme, not from WordPress core itself. The real, live result genuine navigation now visible in the site header, built from real content, in the exact order the menu items were added. Clicking through the real navigation genuinely lands on the real page. It points to no broken links, no placeholders. Every real page on the site is available to add to a menu. The menu builder pulls this list directly from real content. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mock-up. A real menu, real items, and a real, live navigation bar on the front end, the two required steps, both visible on screen. Try it yourself. Build a real menu on your own site and assign it to your theme's primary location.